What's going on, YouTube? So welcome to my driving video. So after the car wash, I usually drive my cars. Yeah, just I like to drive it after I wash it. This looks like you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a fire. Damn. Alright, well, anyway. There is like a fire. A huge fire, guys. Anyway. So I want to talk about one specific topic that's kind of a quirky subject, which is exotic car owners and ownership. So I want to talk about like the reactions I get from driving this car around compared to my previous cars. So I came from like JDM cars, and then I started to drive M3, an M3, and then the Porsche, and then now the Ferrari, right? So I would just start off by saying that the reactions I get from driving the Ferrari is like positive. Like it's no joke. Like when I was driving my Porsche or the BMW, I would get like negative reactions from people. Like either they won't let me through when I'm trying to merge into traffic, or they would flip me off randomly just because, So, and then I would it's like same with the JDM car that I had. I got very positive reactions, but the M3, I mean the BMW and the JDM, also the JDM car and the exotic, they're the same. I get good reactions, but the BMW and the Porsche, not so much. Also, what I noticed is the owners of exotic cars, they range from really flamboyant types to introvert types like me. Like, I would enjoy my car alone in silence. Sometimes I just drive on my own. I just enjoy the car one weekend. But some people, you need like an event for them to drive the car. Like I want, like these are like a cars and coffee, or like a car meet or exotic car meet before I drive my car, stuff like that. It's just enjoy the car. I don't understand. Because I shoot, I do photographs of cars for people, and I just notice these things in terms of personality, and some are more flamboyant and outlandish about their exotic car ownership than the others. I think I put myself in the bucket of the quiet types. I just like enjoying my car in silence type. It is. I don't know. I appreciate the car on its own. I get. I'm happy about it on my own. I don't need people to see me driving the car. I know it's a bright red Ferrari. I know that clearly, but it's just that I'm enjoying the car that I grew up loving as a kid. From my uncle having the 355. It's just I grew up with it. The type of owner I am, I just appreciate the car as it is on its own. If you want to brag about, if you're the type that wants to brag about it, that's cool. It's just that I just noticed those things. I'm just pointing it out. I don't have anything against them. I'm just, like I said, I'm pointing it out, the quirkiness of this. So I mean, most owners actually don't even know a lot about supercars, if you can believe it. They only know the brand Lamborghini, or the latest one, or they don't know the history. So like I go to like a car meet sometimes, or exotic car meet, or cars and coffee. I talk to some owners, and like I talk to them about the brands, like what's your favorite, stuff like that. Like they don't even know the models. Like I would say, like I bring my car in, like F430, right? On like a local drive, one weekend I would drive, and then they don't know what model it is. They don't know what model this F430 is. They just know it's a Ferrari. Isn't that crazy? I guess people, when they grow up around knowing supercars, they just know the brand. They don't know the models. So real enthusiasts, you would know who the real ones are, and the ones that are just casuals. Unfortunately. And sometimes the people that have a lot of money to buy these cars are the ones that don't know much about them. But it is what it is, you know. It's just things that I notice, you know. It's not a gripe or it's not a negative thing. It's just I just notice it. Anyway, so yeah, short video. I wanted to keep it under 10 minutes, if anything. What do you guys think? You know, I just want to maybe start a conversation. Hopefully not a dumpster fire, but I like to tackle hot topics if it is. I mean, I speak my mind. I don't really care about, you know, backlash or anything like that. I get those plenty. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.